Have you ever imagined the excitement of flying your camera? The Vivo drone camera phone has brought that excitement to reality. You can actually fly your phone camera to anywhere you want. You can cover any event, you can take pictures, or you can video yourself while doing your daily activities. The phone comes with 12 gig of RAM, 256 gig of inbuild, and 512 gig of inbuild. That means the phone has two versions. The phone processor is very fast. The battery is 6000 mAh, and the camera is 200 megapixel. With the camera, you can fly and cover any event you want. The phone will be launching in December. You can check out this website in the description to see the full specification. This phone has really brought joy to gadget lovers' hearts.